Stop right there. Are you thinking about upgrading to the new Mac Mini? Before you hit that checkout button, you need to hear this. The guessing game is finally over. But the truth might actually surprise you. Apple is about to drop the brand new M5 Mac Mini. It is going head-to-head with the heavy-hitting M4 Pro. Before you spend your hard-earned money, you need to listen closely. We finally have the complete picture of what Apple is planning. This completely changes the buying advice for anyone looking for a new desktop. Do not buy an older model just yet. We need to talk about the massive changes hiding inside this tiny silver box. Let's start with the outside. There is a major leak about the design and the release timeline. Mark Gurman recently posted that the new M5 model keeps the exact same 5x5-inch footprint. It is the same tiny, sleek design we all know. But don't let the looks fool you. Macworld out of the UK reported something huge. Apple is shifting some production to Texas for a massive spring rollout. This is a strategic move. This means the biggest visual change is that there is no change at all. Apple is proving once again that they can cram desktop-level power into a ridiculously small space. You will not have to buy new accessories. You won't need to clear more desk space. It is the exact same form factor, but the inside is a completely different story. It is a total rebuild from the ground up. Let's be real about the chip design. This is where your daily speed actually changes. This is the heart of the machine. Famous analysts like Ming-Chi Kuo have shared a secret. The base M5 chip jumps to a brand new manufacturing process. It uses TSMC's 3P node. This is a very big deal for your wallet and your ears. Why does a manufacturing node matter to you? Because the older M4 Pro is currently stuck on the older M3 process. This M5 upgrade is the groundwork for much better heat control. It means your machine stays cool. You won't hear loud fan noise when you are working. Even when you push it hard with dozens of tabs or for 1000 video, it stays silent. You get more power without the thermal throttling that ruins performance. Think about that. No more slowing down during a long work session. No more waiting for the computer to catch its breath. Other tech experts have shared that the base M5 features a 10-core CPU layout. This setup delivers a solid 15% speed bump over the base M4. But here is the craziest part. Tom's Hardware noted a specific detail. The M5 stabilizes at a mere 27.5 watts of power draw under heavy load. That is insane efficiency. You are getting faster performance while sipping barely any power. Your electricity bill stays low. Your desk stays cool. Your performance stays high. It is a win-win-win for anyone who works from home. But the real sleeper hit in this comparison is the graphics and AI jump. AI is everywhere right now. Everyone is talking about it. Apple is not holding back. Reports have revealed a massive secret. Apple actually put a dedicated neural accelerator into every single M5 GPU core. This is a game changer. It translates to 4 times faster AI processing. If you use AI tools for editing photos, this chip will fly. If you use AI for upscaling or generating content, you will notice the difference instantly. On top of that, the M5 pushes a massive 45% performance uplift in ray tracing. Your games will look better. Your 3D renders will look more realistic. This is happening on a base model Mac. It is unheard of. This $599 machine is doing things that $1,000 PCs struggled with just 2 years ago. However, before you declare the M5 the ultimate winner, we need a reality check. We need to look at where the M4 Pro strikes back. The M4 Pro is still a beast. It refuses to go down without a fight. The M5 only has a 10-core GPU. That is exactly half of the M4 Pro's massive 20-core graphics engine. If you are doing intense raw graphical work, the M4 Pro still has double the muscle. It's like comparing a nimble sports car to a heavy-duty truck. One is fast and efficient, the other is built to move mountains. Then there is the memory bandwidth. The base M5 reaches 153 gigabytes per second. That is fast. Most people will never max that out. But the older M4 Pro completely crushed that number. The M4 Pro runs at a blistering 273 gigabytes per second. This means the M4 Pro is still the king for editing heavy 4K video or working with massive 3D files. It won't freeze. It won't drop frames. If you are a heavy video editor, bandwidth is everything. The M4 Pro still holds the crown for professionals who need that raw throughput. Connectivity matters for a desktop too. This is where the gap gets wider. The standard M5 will likely max out at Thunderbolt for speeds. This gives the older M4 Pro a massive win. The M4 Pro features Thunderbolt 5. This is for ultra-fast external drives. If you transfer massive files all day, Thunderbolt 5 is a lifesaver. You will only get that on the Pro chip. You have to ask yourself if you need that speed for your specific workflow. Now, let's talk about the price. This is the deciding factor for most of us. The base M5 Mac Mini will launch at just $599. That is an incredible value. You get world-class AI and processing power for under $600. It is almost hard to believe. Some rumors suggest discounts on older models, but Apple rarely gives huge price cuts on premium chips. So, what is my honest opinion? Which one should you actually buy? You are choosing between two different worlds. You are choosing between the brand new AI efficiency of the M5 and the raw graphical power of the M4 Pro. If you are a normal user, a student, or a programmer, the M5 is an absolute steal. It is the smartest and most efficient choice. It is the future of the entry-level desktop. It gives you the latest tech at the lowest price, but if you are a professional animator or a high-end video editor, you cannot ignore the M4 Pro. The 20-core GPU and Thunderbolt 5 ports are built for you. Apple made their base chips incredibly capable, but the Pro line still exists for a reason. You have to decide if your time is worth the extra cost. For most of you, the answer is simple. My final verdict is that the M5 is the better deal for 90% of people. The N3P process makes it a more modern machine. The AI accelerators make it more future-proof for the next 5 years of software updates. Unless you are pushing pixels for a living, save the extra money. Get the M5 and enjoy the silence. It is the most impressive Mac Mini we have seen in years. It proves that you don't always have to pay more to get the best technology. The $599 beast is real, and it's coming for the competition. If you like the video, subscribe, share the video, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update on the latest.